Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today the market is down and it's a red day, and you know what that means? It's a good time to buy some more stocks and give you an update on my Webull portfolio. If you're new here, I'm just an average guy investing in the stock market to make that passive income so one day I could buy a Tesla, flex it, and retire inside my Tesla. Just kidding. Maybe there's stocks when it comes down in price. But if you want to check out how I'm investing and know my strategy, feel free to check out my full breakdown video linked below. I use my actual money, and whenever I buy or sell, I update that here on this channel so you'll see my progress. You know how like when people plant a tree and they just sit there and watch it grow? Or is that just me? It's almost like that, but digitally, and sometimes it comes bearing fruits, and in this case, it's money. And by the way, this is what works best for me, and I'm not saying that you should invest in them too. Make sure to always do your own research before investing. So let's go inside my Webull account to see what I have and what I'm going to buy. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Webull account and click trade over here, and then it'll take me to a platform that looks something like this. And it looks kind of confusing at first, but it's not really that confusing. All we want to focus here is on the position right here. And this is all currently in my Roth IRA. So I have 8 stocks currently. And since today is a red day, I'm going to scroll on to the right and see the percentage gain and loss I've currently incurred. So I noticed Dow right here, Dow Chemicals, is at 11%, AT&T is at 8%, and then Walgreens right here is around 11% as well. So these are the 3 stocks I'm mainly gonna focus on because I want a dollar cost average on these. So then I'll bring my average costs down and then reap the benefits when I do get dividends. So currently Dow is at 11%. So what I wanna do is only spend $1,000 on this. So I did my math prior to this, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in Dow, D-O-W. Click here. Oh yeah, before one thing, I want to check out the dividends too. So I'm gonna go here, dividends.com, and then I'm gonna check in D-O-W. It's Dow Chemicals right over here. Okay, their yield is pretty great, 8% right now currently, and then I want to see when they pay out their dividends. So right now it's on May 28th, so they're gonna be paying their dividends pretty soon, give it a take. And then if I scroll down here, let's see, yeah, same dividend payout, 70 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it because it's still a good buy to me and through my eyes. So go back on the platform, Dow, and I'm gonna type in market, and then currently I want to buy 10. So click buy for the day. So estimated amount is $323. Hit this, type in my passcode. All right, and then I go ahead and place order right now. Hit buy. All right, let's see, it's filled. So I bought 10 currently right now, and then since I did that, it brought my average down to $34.74. So right now it's not bad. I cut it by a couple percentage, so it's at 7%. So I'm gonna look at AT&T right now, AT&T. So go back to dividends.com and see when their next payout is, or if they paid already. I think it paid out last month or so. So it's at 7%, which is healthy, which is what I like. And then I believe they paid out already. I don't see it. Yeah, they paid out on the 4th, so they're not gonna pay their dividends anytime soon. Maybe a couple months down the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it as well. So right now, AT&T, ticker symbol T, hit buy, market 12, and then go ahead and that's 337. Go ahead and place order right now, and then hit buy. I think it filled. Did it? Yes, it did. And then now it brought my loss to 5%, which is good. And then Walgreens is next. So I'm gonna check out Walgreens right over here. Dividends.com, scroll back up. WBA ticker symbol, and it's at 4%, which is really good. Scroll back down. Ex-dividend date is on May 19th, and that hasn't passed yet. So, and the dividends payout is 45 cents per share. So, I look back at this, looks pretty good. Still maintaining it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and buy that one as well. So, type in ticker symbol WBA. Hit buy, put a market here. And this one, I want to buy 9 shares of that. It's not much, but it's something. And then place order, hit buy. And then scroll back right over here. And then from 11%-ish, it brought down to 8%, which is really good. Since I've only used $1,000, so right now currently my buying power is around 5,000. So if it drops even more, I still have some money left over to continue buying on the market when it's red. And there you have it. Just a quick recap here. What I do is simple. I buy high dividend yielding stocks. I start dollar cost averaging on stocks if they start dropping in prices. Most likely their dividends won't be affected since these are big stable companies that I've picked. And you can get deals or higher returns if you buy them lower, which I did. And maybe a couple years down the road, you too can have your own passive income portfolio and start reaping the benefits of it. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe subscribe to stay up to date on what I'm investing in. Until then, I'll catch you all later.